Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss NEET MCQ on chapter Reproductive Health. This chapter is much important. 1-2 questions come in NEET exam. So please do go through this question. If you like this video, then do please do subscribe, comment and share. So here we start our video. Question 1. Slide 1, question 1. Reproductive health is the well-being of a physical aspect, B emotional and behavioral aspect, C social aspect, D all of the above. Reproductive health is the well-being of, and the answer for this question is D, that is all of the above. Second question, amniocentesis is the detection of a chromosomal pattern of taking amniotic fluid, B chronic fluid from developing embryo, C chromosomal pattern after childbirth, D chromosomal pattern before fertilization. And the answer for this question is A1, that is chromosomal pattern by taking amniotic fluid. Slide second. Question 1. Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? A. Klinefelter syndrome, B. Sex of the fetus, C. Down syndrome, D. Jaundice. Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? And the answer for this question is D, that is jaundice. Question second. Indicators of the improved reproductive health of the society are A. Better detection and cure of STD, B. Improved medical facilities, C. Decreased maternal and infant mortality rates, D. All of the above. Indicators of the improved reproductive health of the society are, and the answer for this question is D, that is all of the above. Slide third. Question 1. An ideal contraceptive should be A. User friendly, B. Reversible, C. Both A and B, D. Increase sexual drive. An ideal contraceptive should be, and the answer for this question is C1, that is both A and B, that is user friendly and reversible. Question second. Natural method of contraception are the natural way to A. Increase spermicidal activity, B. Prevent fertilization, C. Decrease mortality, D. Increase mortality. Natural method of contraception are the natural way to, and the answer for this second question is B, that is prevent fertilization. Slide 4. Question 1. IUD stand for A. Intrauterine devices, B. Intrauterine devices, C. Interuterine development, D. Intrauterine development. IUD stand for, and the answer for this first question is B, that is intrauterine devices. Question second. Which IUD increases the phagocytosis of the sperm within the uterus? A. Non-medicated IUD, B. Copper releasing IUD, both A and B, D. Hormone releasing IUD. Which IUD increases the phagocytosis of the sperm within the uterus? And the answer for this second question is C, that is both A and B, that is non-medicated IUD and copper releasing IUD increases the phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Slide 5th question first. Example of non-medicated IUD is copper T, B copper 7, C multilode 375, D lips loop. Example of non-medicated IUD is, and the answer for this first question is D, that is lips loop. Question second. Hormone releasing IUDs among the following are A. Copper T, B. LNG20, C. Saheli, D. Daphragm. Hormone releasing IUD among the following are, and the answer for the second question is B, that is LNG20. Slide 6th question 1. Tubectomy is a method of sterilization in which A. Small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up, B. Ovaries are removed surgically, C. Small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up, D. Uterus is removed surgically. Question first. Tubectomy is a method of sterilization in which, and the answer for the first question is A, that is small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied up. Question second. Name the part cut and tied in male sterilization. Also name the procedure. A. Vas deferens tubectomy. B. Vas deferens vasectomy. C. Vas efferentia tubectomy. D. Vas efferentia vasectomy. Name the part cut and tied in male sterilization. Also name the procedure. And the answer for this second question is B. That is vas deferens vasectomy. Slide 7, question 1. MTP stand for medical termination of pregnancy. B. Mental trauma phase. C. Menstrual pain. D. Menstrual temporary pain. MTP stand for, and the answer for this first question is A. That is medical termination of pregnancy. Question second. During which phase of the pregnancy MTP is safe? A. First trimester. B. Second trimester. C. Third trimester. D. Fourth trimester. During which phase the pregnancy MTP is safe? And the answer for this second question is A. That is first trimester. Slide 8, first question. STD caused by bacteria include A. Syphilis, B. Gonorrhea, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. STD caused by bacteria include, and the answer for this first question is C. That is both A and B. That is syphilis and gonorrhea is caused by bacteria. Second question. Incident of STD are very high among person in the age group of A. 15 to 35 years, B. 15 to 30 years, C. 15 to 24 years, D. 15 to 45 years. Incident of STD are very high among person in the age group of, and the answer for this second question is C. That is 15 to 24 year. Slide 9, question 1. Ectopic pregnancy are referred to as A. Pregnancy with genetic abnormality, B. Implantation of embryo at site other than uterus, C. Implantation of defective embryo in the uterus, D. Pregnancy is terminated due to the hormonal imbalance. Ectopic pregnancy are referred to as, and the answer for this first question is B. That is implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. Assisted reproductive technology IVF involves transfer of A. Ovum into the fallopian tube, B. Zygote into the fallopian tube, C. Zygote into the uterus, D. Embryo within 6 blastoma into the fallopian tube. Assisted reproductive technology IVF involves transfer of, and the answer to the second question is A. B. That is zygote into the fallopian tube. Slide 10, question 1. Embryo with more than 16 blastoma are formed due to in vitro fertilization is transformed into A. Uterus, B. Fallopian tube, C. Fimbriae, D. cervix. Embryo with more than 16 blastoma are formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into, and the answer for this question is A. That is uterus. Second question. What is false for GIF? GIFT, sorry. A. It is gamete intrafallopian transfer. B. Ovum is transferred into the oviduct. C. Zygote is transformed into fallopian tube. D. Used when the receptive is sterile. What is false for GIFT? And the answer to the second question is C. That is zygote is transferred into fallopian tube. And one more question there is in the poll, so please do go through this question. And thank you friends for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and please do daily go through the questions which I have uploaded earlier. Thank you friends. Keep safe, be smiling always. Bye bye.